What's up, guys? So today we're starting off the vlog in the 5.0. Currently posted up next to me, I don't know if it's a 2-valve, but there is a Cobra badge right there, and it's like a Cobra bumper, but I'm not sure. But we're gonna get the Cobra bumper all assembled. I'm just gonna baby the transmission. I'm gonna drive the car today, but we got some bumper clips, and then we're gonna assemble the whole bumper assembly. Well, bumper next to it. I think it has a Cobra. Yeah, it might be a Cobra, I'm not sure. Get a little pull for the vlog. That was a short shift. So we got the Cobra out. It's not running in terms of the transmission. It's not working to its full potential. I have to really granny shift the trans so that it doesn't grind gears. Pretty much the clutch is taking a long time to disengage everything, so if I shift it slower, then the transmission likes that because everything has time to catch up. The trans is in good shape, but the clutch, on the other hand, doesn't seem to be fully disengaging, so I'm gonna have to drop the trans probably again to get full clutch disengagement, I'm thinking. So I guess we'll see about that. But other than that, I mean, it runs cool. No issues so far. Enough power, because if you run a thicker sidewall, it can actually slow you down because it's more drag. So what we're going to do is get Toyos instead to run the Robos, and I originally wanted 2 sets, but now I've come to the realization that if I have Toyos, it'll be cool in the end. They'll look good, and ultimately I'll grip when I need to and not have to worry about hooking all the time. And also, on the other hand, it has a lot of tread actually, so if I do get caught in the rain, I think I'll be okay. We'll find out how that goes. All right, YouTube, we have the Mach 1 up in the air right now. We got to take out the wire harness for this setup right here. Pretty much what's going down is we're putting an Eaton Swap onto the Mach 1, and a lot of people do it. It's common to do it, and it's a little bit more difficult as you need to get a whole conversion kit for this whole like timing set, everything, but in the end it should be pretty dope. So we'll update you guys with the process. So taking out the wire harness. Okay, so we have, this is the Cobra harness right here, and then we have the stock Mach 1, and obviously you have a lot more harnesses or a lot more pieces to the puzzle because, well, you got to control, I think the main thing is probably just like the cooling, right? So your intercooler thing, or no, I don't know.
Well, we can find out right now. This goes to the fucking...
So we're kind of just figuring things out as we go. We're kind of sending it. I mean, if it works, it works. All right, so we're taking off the valve covers on the Mach 1. Make sure you guys drink Bang Energy, sponsored by them right now. We were gonna put the wire harness on, but we were just like, we have to take off everything else because we have to do the timing cover and everything. So I'm gonna do that real quick. If you guys remember, and you guys are a true loyal member, I had that happen to my Cobra, and that was the biggest pain in the ass, and I f***ed up. So this is what, 70,000 miles? How many miles?
70 something, but it's been abused.
For real. I mean, can you tell anything from up top or not? Do you just get new gaskets or what? Valve covers coming off.
That's actually not that bad for...
No, yeah, it just looks like, well, it just like looks like oil. Yeah, it's not even gunked up, it's just oil.
The camshafts and the cam gears.
Let's put some cams in it real quick.
Fuck, for real. Might as well since it's fucking the valve covers off.
I know. Dual overhead cam?
Yo.
So, that's also why they don't sound as good as like LS, I'd say though. Because they're dual overhead cams on both ends. If you have like a single cam, it gives you that freaking crazy lope.
What, Joel's Fox coming up?
Yeah, the single overhead cam definitely makes it more of a lopey sound, but this is obviously more efficient in the end though. This is pretty impressive for 2003, 2004 for having dual overhead cam 4-valve heads. I mean, pretty legit back in that day. Who's gonna be in the vlogster? I think you should wait, but that's just my opinion.
Wait for what?
I think you should build it, but I mean, if it wasn't that hard for you, then I guess you could just reassemble it.
No.
Alright guys, so pretty much we've come down to the conclusion that, well, you want to either build the heads or build the whole block, or what?
Well, I don't have the money to build the whole motor right now.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
That's a lie, but okay.
So it's either build the heads and that's it for the motor, or wait, put everything back together, and then build the heads and block like by the end of the year or next year.
So pretty much, I guess the quicker route is just to build the heads, right?
Yeah.
Essentially.
Well, yeah, that'll just so I can, you know. Yeah. But I really want to build the whole motor, so.
I mean, that could come down the line. Just don't push it crazy. I mean,
yeah.
It could take it though for sure. It just, you know, take it easier, I guess. Yeah, we gotta for the Mach one.
When you're not here, I actually get done. I got a supercharger kit. I got the notch back, even though I don't like the paint on it. I got a Cobra bumper.
You don't like the color? I don't like the color.
So we met up with some of the squad. We got the GT500, Mr. Jacobs 2020 GT500, and then the Whipple 5.0. Oh my god. It's right there. Oh my boy. Everyone's whining tonight. Did pretty good at first, got that torque. We got the rich Asian right here. Mr. Max SVT. How's it going? What's up guys? Say what's up to the vlog. We were taking over, that was in Mexico though. Mr. J Cups gotta get rid of that heat soak, man.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Get a killer chiller.
I need it.
I got it. Opening the valves. Truck out today, guys. Forgot my camera, so the iPhone will suffice. That's fresh. Sheesh. This like looks super original. Looks really good though.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Definitely not. Yeah, this blue is nice. I don't think this is stock paint though.
I like that hood.
Let's check it out. Oh. Yeah, that thing's mint. Sheesh. Out of it right now?
Good, bro. Damn.
That's fresh right there. So just to see if there's a vacuum leak. There's a dyno pull. That whistle though. I got a throttle body spacer and it makes the same sound.
Yeah, that's what I have too.
Yeah.
It's all stock. I just have a big ass body.
Yeah. Nothing major. Just a little cold air intake.
Bought at AutoZone for like $10.
Hopefully there's no vacuum leak.
Hopefully not. Let's go from first gear.
I'm gonna spin.
It is gonna
Good?
That's pretty good. The engine light didn't come on.
Yeah, that's the whole goal. No check engine. The wine is crazy, man. Sheesh. That wine is intoxicating.
Forward, send it.
Oh, look at that bug. Oh, there's hella bugs. You seen
Get
that?
all the dust in the back.
What the hell?